The DJI Pocket 2 is a very popular handheld camera that has made people excited about the DJI Pocket 3, which is expected to come out this year. There are a lot of leaks and theories about the new Pocket 3 floating around online, but we have found some almost certain possibilities. Here is a short overview of the DJI Pocket 3, including when it is expected to come out, what it might have, what its specs are, and other important information. Certainly the Insta360 Flow gimbal for smartphones has garnered attention lately as a versatile tool catering to vloggers, YouTube creators, and social media influence. On paper, it appears to be an ideal solution offering AI tracking in a compact portable gimbal that can be easily carried anywhere. Its AI tracking capabilities work impressively well, especially for tutorial videos or scenarios where the subject needs to be tracked while moving around. This makes it a valuable asset for various content creators, including cooking channels, woodworkers, and other platforms that require constant tracking without the ability to change camera angles. However, despite its strengths, the Insta360 Flow is primarily marketed and designed as a gimbal. This is when DJI can potentially offer the ultimate solution with their upcoming Pocket 3. Building upon the foundation set by the DJI Pocket 2, which already incorporates features like Active Track 3.0 and Face Track, DJI is expected to enhance its AI tracking capabilities even further by potentially reducing Active Track 5.0 or 6.0 in the DJI Pocket 3. DJI aims to take AI tracking to new heights and provide content creators with an even more advanced and refined tool for the creative endeavors. It was already anticipated that the forthcoming DJI Pocket flagship would undergo some modifications in terms of its form factor, which would consequently increase its weight. A similar case was observed for the DJI Pocket 2, where the weight slightly increased due to the larger sensor size. Moreover, the rumored enhancements pertaining to built-in connectivity and internal speakers would have a substantial impact on the overall product design. However, the leak suggests that a noteworthy evolution in the device's design. According to a user who disclosed information on the Chinese website Baidu, the upcoming DJI Pocket flagship appears to be a fusion of the DJI Pocket 2 and DJI Action 2. This conclusion is drawn from the leaker pattern designs that have surfaced. The lead design images provide specific details about the potential changes in the upcoming DJI Pocket flagship camera. These images indicate the upcoming Pocket 3 might come with a square camera resembling the DJI Action 2, a dual-screen design, and two physical buttons. These leaked design images hint at a significant departure from the previous DJI Pocket models, combining certain aspects of DJI Action 2 and introducing new features that enhances ability and control. The device's clever design allows it to be conveniently folded when not in use, making it easy to carry and store. It also has the ability to display different content on its two separate screens, offering enhanced multitasking capabilities. Additionally, the inclusion of a compact camera mounted on the gimbal adds a unique feature to the device. Although it remains uncertain if this design will be featured in the Pocket 3, the panel concept itself is truly impressive. The DJI Osmo Pocket started off with a 1/2.3-inch sensor, but the subsequent clues of the DJI Pocket 2 saw a notable upgrade to a larger 1/1.7-inch sensor. This enhancement resulted in the camera being able to capture high-quality visuals, including HDR videos. The difference in image quality between these two iterations was quite remarkable, making it almost surreal to imagine the level of video quality that could be achieved with an even larger sensor, such as a 1-inch sensor in the rumored DJI Pocket 3. This potential upgrade could potentially address any existing issues with the night mode or the DJI Pocket 2, further improving low-light performance. In addition to sensor improvements, DJI has also made significant strides in enhancing the gimbal system with each iteration. Both the DJI Osmo Pocket and DJI Pocket 2 witness improvements in pan and tilt ranges, allowing for smoother and more versatile camera movements. Considering this trend, It's reasonable to anticipate that DJI will continue to refine and enhance the gimbal system in their upcoming camera release, further elevating the shooting experience for users. Enhancing audio quality is crucial for creating an immersive and captivating video experience. Therefore, it's logical to expect that DJI, being a prominent player in the industry, would further improve the audio recording capabilities of its latest DJI Pocket camera model. It appears that DJI and other vendors have recognized the growing need for removable batteries in their products, due to the rapid deterioration experienced by even the most resilient batteries within a couple of years. In light of this, there are rumors suggesting that the upcoming DJI Pocket 3 will incorporate a removable battery, a feature that could help retain customer satisfaction and loyalty. While the existing DJI Pocket lineup has been missing a notable feature, namely support for captivating live stream videos, it appears that DJI has taken notice and intend to address this gap in the upcoming variant. The DJI Pocket 3 is rumored to introduce built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, enabling users to seamlessly engage in live streaming. Anticipate a significant impact from DJI's upcoming release to Pocket 3, as the company has established its dominance in the drone and handheld camera marketing. DJI has consistently exhibited a commitment to enhancing its products with each new iteration. Therefore, it's reasonable to assume that the forthcoming Pocket 3 will not only reduce fresh features, but also address any existing glitches present in the Pocket 2. But now that's all we know, and we'll keep updating this roundup as we hear more. We appreciate you watching the video. If you found this video to be useful, please like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content like this in your feed.